In this tutorial, we are going to change the pitch of our voice in Audacity. Let's have a listen to our voice here before it has been changed. Click on play. Hello, testing 1 2, testing 1 2 3. To change the pitch of our voice, we simply hold down the left mouse button and drag over our recording. Click on Effect, then click on Change Pitch, and we can see that Audacity has detected the pitch of our voice as being the note A. We are going to go upwards and maybe select a fifth of a distance in the right hand column. Let's say E. Click OK, and we should now hear a more chipmunk-like sound.
Hello, testing 1 2, testing 1 2 3.